This personal bartender. Heated lunchbox. Spend too much money eating out at lunch in order to avoid the horrors of a soggy sandwich. Now you can be the envy of the office with the heated lunchbox. It even comes with a car/truck power cord so you can get a hot meal on your road trip. These containers that lock in freshness and nothing else. The healthy fried food cooker. This granny style measuring spoons. These stretchy food containers. The Ferris wheel spice rack. This round table grill. This body heat powered butter knife. This see-through toaster.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.